Hey everybody, it's Handy Jeff, and today we are going to find out if this bar's head seal stop leak actually works. As you can see, it is a beautiful day, and as you can see, we have ourselves a nice little leak right down there, more than likely from the intake. So what we got to do is get this bad boy opened up, get the hood open, and do this to a cold car. So open our hood. For this old girl, you got to open using a screwdriver, and I'm sure the snow isn't helping at all. All right, this beautiful Grand Marquis has a pressurized overflow tank. Notice how there's no radiator cap, so that means it's okay to put in the overflow. Otherwise, if you don't have this and you have an actual radiator cap, it goes in the radiator itself. I'm gonna shake it. Then we're gonna make it drink it. This will take the whole bottle. But look at the dosing chart for yourself. Then we gotta go ahead and top our radiator off, or our overflow off, with coolant. Next, go ahead and install your cap, and then go turn your car on and crank the heat on high. Let it run for 30 minutes. Now, will the $1,000 pizza delivery crap box continue to live? I guess we'll find out. We're gonna let it run for 30 minutes. I'm gonna drive it to work, and then you're supposed to let it heat and cool, which thankfully we haven't been that busy, so it will completely cool. It's literally a polar vortex, so that's gonna cool super fast. It says it might take a couple heat cycles, so I will report back after cycling it a few times, and probably tomorrow come down and see if there's a nice patch of coolant underneath of the actual snow. All right, so it's been a couple days, and well, let's check it out. So you can still see where all the antifreeze had leaked out before. Here's the Grand Marquis. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, I don't see any leak at all. That bar's leak, it actually works. Holy cow.